How to turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard auto replace on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, and then in here, tap on general management. Then we go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Next, tap on auto replace. Now for each of the keyboard language, you want to tap on the toggle button to turn it on or off. So turn on or turn off, auto replace for that keyboard language. So for English US, I can turn it on. For another language, I can turn it off. And here say, as you type, you will see suggested words. Tap the space bar or the enter key or a punctuation mark to enter the highlighted word. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.